I told them I'm give my life for any one of them. Me have a son and anything do him. And nothing short of love. We might not have it with that, but when it's a love to our pity them, nothing can get love more than how me give my pity them. In Jesus' name, that child shall come back to me, and she shall come back in health. My God, I'm served, not dead. In my life, I'm just a ask you, whoever you be, here back my baby.
You're coming back? Alright. So what do you
Yeah,
you guys to come
my
back?
baby. But my baby, me no want to see your face. I can drop her off somewhere and call somebody. Me no business. Just return back my child in perfect health. I can't left her around hospital, left her around police station, left her anywhere. Just care about my baby. And honestly, me blame myself.
I'm Kevin Robe. The baby name is Kimaya Shantara Robe. The mother's name is Christina Blake. She was due to dress on Friday. That would be last week Friday. Unfortunately, I had work, so I couldn't get the time to dress her on Friday. So I told her that I would dress her on Monday. Kara, come down here to get her dress. She said, okay, I'll carry her on 3 West, which is surgical ward, up by Jubilee, wherein they look after her, they dressed her, and then we left. On my way coming back down, I told her that I would stop and get something for her to eat. She said, no man, no problem, fair enough. While coming down, a lady, which I don't know where she came from, I don't know nothing about her, I don't know her features, I don't know her background, nothing at all. Just sudden say to my baby mother, well, go and go this. So I was like, all right, then maybe they know their friends and something. So emergency vehicle was coming in, so I drew on the sidewalk, spin around the chair and push her out by the road out there. The column that was out there, she was out there, so I parked her this way. Yeah, my back was turned to the road, and the lady was standing like this. So I said, all right then. So I said to her that now go get something and come back. Just less than 5 minutes. It wasn't long because it was just a patty and a Pepsi I went for. By them came back. When I came back, it's just she alone. So I said to her, I said, the lady not come back yet with the baby. She said, no. So I said, all right. She sent me to look over by that side up there. When I went up there, I realized that I didn't have any mask, so I leave. Came back to her and tell her that I have to have mask to go up there. She said, go up there so she see where she want to go up there. We went up there, don't see her. Go on a Jubilee in the lobby, don't see her. No sign her, we walk ask security, walk ask people if we see out the road. Nowhere. The thing that really I want is, I just need my daughter back. I don't need nothing else, just need back my daughter. And it's only fair enough that she should return back to us safe, sound, alive, well, alright, and everything. That's all I want. I don't want nothing else. Nothing more. I have a 3-year-old son and he don't with somebody else. I have to leave him with somebody else just in order to bring she to come get her dress or something. And this, I never expect this. We just need, all I want is just my daughter to come back home. I just want to have her back in my hand, that's all. Come to her, I cannot say because the thing is that when she was on the ward 6, which is surgical ward, the lady came up there, which unauthorized because she don't have any relative up there, she don't have nobody up there. And I get to understand that she come up there and just start, whether she have the baby or she have help out or not, she's not supposed to be up there. Right? I get to understand, so she come up there and help her. So obviously I don't know what ties, if she know her, if they are friends, I don't know. She is dark brown. She have, look at this, like this.
She's big in body?
Yeah. The ear now is more like fuzzier. That's why maybe like that lady ear that you see behind. But her one is combed down, side background. So her one is combed down. Yeah. In terms of clothes, it's a blue jeans pants and a white top. No, it's not KPH4, but I blame them for one thing wherein when she was there, when she was admitted to the ward, the thing that I blame them for, there shouldn't be, what do I call it, whether if you're not a friend or if you're not friends, no friends at all, coming on the ward and helping baby mothers or helping baby mothers look about their child or anything. I believe if you as a mother cannot manage to look about your child, you request the assistance of a nurse, but not permitting other people or other females on the ward where you don't know about, nobody don't have a clue more than just walk come in and start to clean up wife or baby or something. So,
how do you know that this is true though? Did you saw the woman doing it with your own eyes or
no,
the mother
I
told
didn't
you?
know. The mother told me.